In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to set up PHP on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So let's get started. At first, open a new terminal and write this command to update your system with sudo privilege sudo apt update, then hit enter. Now enter the password for this user, then hit enter. It may take a while for updating the system. After updating the system, write this command to install PHP and also install the necessary packages. So write this command sudo apt install PHP 8.3, PHP 8.3 CLI, PHP 8.3 common, PHP 8.3 curl, PHP 8.3 MySQL. To connect to the MySQL database, you must install this package PHP 8.3 MySQL and then PHP 8.3 GD, PHP 8.3 MB string and PHP 8.3 zip. Then hit enter. Now type Y and hit enter to continue installation. It may take a while for installing PHP 8.3 and setting up the PHP 8.3 within the module. Okay, now I'm going to create a new directory into my desktop using this command make a directory command. I am going to name this directory my PHP codes, then navigate to this directory and I'm going to open this directory in Visual Studio Code. Okay, now create a file, name it index.php. Okay, now I'm going to create a simple PHP welcome script. Okay, now verify the installation using this command php -v, then hit enter. That's it. PHP 8.3.6 installed my machine. So now I am going to run the PHP development server. So open terminal and navigate to the root directory and then write this command php hyphen capital S, then write the host name here, localhost. Within the port number, I am going to put the port number 8000, then hit enter. Okay, PHP development server running on this URL within the port number 8000. So open this link. Here you will see the output. That's it. Now I am going to create a console application. Okay, I am going to run this console application. So open a new terminal and write this command to run this PHP script PHP and then write the file name within the PHP extension, then hit enter. Okay, that's it. To stop the development server, simply press Ctrl plus C at the same time. That's it. If you are new to this channel, subscribe the channel and like, comment, share this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.